As simple as this thing looks, it's impossible to turn back into the box. I've had it open in my office for over a month and I couldn't figure out how to put it back in a cute little circle. So I just figured it out. So this is what you do. You put one hand this way and the other one opposite. And then you twist. You make an 8. It doesn't matter where you put your hand on the side. You just put one hand like this, one hand like this, and you twist. And you get the shape that I've been desperately looking for, and then you can finally put it back in your pouch. Believe me, it's not as simple as it looks. You're gonna have to do a couple of tries, but once you get the idea, it's actually fairly simple. It gets a little rigid, so you really have to give it a little oomph when you're twisting. See? Whoops! I highly recommend you get this. This is really a good thing to have in your drone box. It's really a good idea to use it if you're on a very grassy terrain or you have little rocks here and there, because when you are going to fly away or come home, you don't want to damage your camera or your drone, and so that will prevent it from happening. You also have these 3 little things. If there is a lot of wind or if it's uneven and there's a chance of it flying away, boop, boop, boop. You just put those 3 things on the corners. You just stick each one. You see that you have 3 little things on each side. So you just pop it from here and you just put it in the ground. Here you go. You put the second one. And here, it's super easy to do. You just stuff it in, up. And now you have your landing pad and it's safe to go. So we're going to do it one more time. Twist and turn. Whoop! After you've done this a couple of times, it appears simple. I hope you learned something. Come back to Katya's Buzz. Have a beautiful day.